Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the diagonal spike stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, how to make the double crochet stitch, and the double crochet spike stitch. I have videos on all of those and I will have them listed down below. Starting from the very beginning, you're going to make chains in the multiple of 4. I have already made 24 chains on my hook. To start row 1, make a double crochet into the 4th chain from your hook. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Make a double crochet in the next chain. And make a double crochet in the next chain. So far we have 3 double crochet made. You're going to make a double crochet spike stitch into the chain that you made your first double crochet of this row. So you're going to go over these 2 into this first one right here, into that chain, and make a double crochet like normal. So that's how that is going to look. Skip 1 chain, into this next one make a double crochet, into this next one make a double crochet, into this next one make a double crochet. Again, we have 3 double crochet. You're going to make a double crochet spike into the chain of the first double crochet you made in this 3 double crochet block. So this one right here. Skip 1 chain, into the next one make a double crochet, into the next one make a double crochet, into the next one make a double crochet. So again, we have that 3 double crochet block. Now into the first double crochet you made of this 3 double crochet block, into this chain, you're going to make a double crochet spike. And you're going to repeat this for the rest of your row. When you reach the end of your row, you can see you have 2 chains left. Skip 1 chain, into the last chain make 1 double crochet. And that's how row 1 is looking. To start row 2, make 3 chains. You're going to skip the first stitch that's connected with your chains. You're going to work into the second one, making a double crochet. The next stitch make a double crochet, and into the next stitch make a double crochet. Into the stitch of the first double crochet you made, you're going to make a double crochet spike. You're now going to skip 1 stitch, into the next one make a double crochet, into the next one make a double crochet, into the next one make a double crochet, into the first double crochet of this 3 double crochet block, make a double crochet spike in that stitch. And that's how those are looking. You would now repeat this for the rest of your row. When you reach the end of your row, you're going to make 1 double crochet into the last stitch of your row. And that's how row 2 is looking. You would now repeat row 2 for however long you want your project. And that is going to be how to make the crochet diagonal spike stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here, and have a great day.